Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about BRCGS, which stands for Brand Reputation Compliance Global Standards. BRCGS plays a vital role in global food safety and product quality by setting international standards. These standards ensure that food and non-food products are safe, legal, and of high quality. BRCGS covers a range of industries, including food, packaging, storage and distribution, and consumer products. It's all about building trust and maintaining top-notch standards across the supply chain. This means that products are not only safe to use or consume, but they also follow all legal regulations and maintain a high standard of quality. Whether it's food, packaging, or consumer goods, this certification helps prevent issues that could harm consumers or damage a brand's reputation. Second, it builds trust with consumers and business partners. When a product is BRCGS certified, customers are more likely to trust it, knowing it has passed strict international standards. For retailers and suppliers, this certification brings confidence. It shows that the company is committed to quality and reliability, making it easier to form strong business relationships. Lastly, BRCGS certification is required by many retailers, especially in the UK and Europe. Major retailers often won't even consider products unless the supplier is BRCGS certified. This opens up access to larger markets and gives businesses a competitive edge. In short, it's not just a badge of quality, it's a key to expanding your business internationally. So overall, BRCGS certification isn't just about compliance. It's about building trust, ensuring safety, and unlocking new business opportunities.
Food Safety Standard, BRCGS. The BRCGS Food Safety Standard is one of the most widely recognized certification programs for food manufacturers around the world. Key features of the BRCGS Food Safety Standard include Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, HACCP, a systematic approach to identifying, evaluating, and controlling food safety hazards. Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, ensures hygiene, cleanliness, and proper handling in food production. Supplier and Raw Material Management. Companies must source from approved suppliers and ensure ingredient traceability. Traceability and recall procedures. If there's a safety issue, products can be quickly traced and recalled. Internal audits and continual improvement. Regular checks and updates to maintain high standards. In short, it ensures that a food product is safe, legal, and high quality from production to shelf. Food Safety Standard, BRCGS. The BRCGS Food Safety Standard is one of the most widely recognized certification programs for food manufacturers around the world. Key features of the BRCGS Food Safety Standard include real-world example that we have is Nestlé product. Nestlé, one of the largest food companies in the world, uses BRCGS standards in many of its manufacturing sites, especially those supplying to UK and EU markets. By having BRCGS certification, Nestlé can prove to retailers and consumers that their products are made in safe, controlled environments. It allows them to maintain consistency and meet international safety standards. It also strengthens their brand reputation, because customers trust products that come from certified facilities.
In order to stay ahead of the competitive business world in ever-changing situations, companies must focus on maintaining a standard quality and work consistently to improve it. BRCGS standard can give many companies a number of benefits as mentioned below. 1. It can save cost and time by providing a single audit report by many customers. 2. It also can empower company culture to encourage continuous improvement, reduction in waste, and increase efficiency. 3rd, provides globally recognized GFSI certification, which is considered to be a benchmark. There are 4 steps on how to get the BRCGS certification. First process is application and agreement. Application is where business initiate the process by applying for certification to a certification body, like QIMA or WQS. Meanwhile, agreement is once the application is reviewed, an agreement is reached to define the scope of the audit and ensure all parties understand the conditions. The next step is audit. In audit process, the auditor must conduct an on-site assessment, including reviewing documentation, observing processes, and interviewing staff. For checklist, the auditors must use checklist provided by BRCGS to access compliance. As for nonconformities, if any nonconformities are found, the business must take corrective actions and provide evidence of resolution. Last but not least, certification decision. As in report compilation, the auditor needs to compile a report and reviews the evidence for closing nonconformities. For certification, if all requirements are met, the certificate is issued along with the formal report and guidance on logo usage. And last, follow-up audit is where businesses will likely need to undergo regular follow-up audits to maintain their certification.
Let's move on to the challenges the company encountered during the certification process. The first challenge is inconsistent employee training. Many companies don't invest enough in continuous training. This results in staff who may not fully understand food safety procedures or quality standards. And when new employees come in, the lack of proper training or handover can cause confusion and mistakes. The second challenge is poor documentation. Companies may not treat documentation as a priority, leading to records that are incomplete or disorganized. During audits, this creates serious delays since auditors need immediate access to accurate and updated documents of the entire supply chain from the production to distribution. It helps safeguard consumers while boosting the reputation and global competitiveness of certified organizations.